Hey everyone, welcome back to OpenExploit, where we simplify cybersecurity one tool at a time. Today we are diving into insane useful resource, IPinfo's free geolocation API. What it is, how it works, and how you can start using it to add context to your IP analysis, threat hunting, and even red team ops. Whether you are a beginner in cybersecurity or seasoned analyst, this video is for you. Let's get started. So first, what exactly is IPinfo? It's an API service that lets you pull details about your IP address. Stuff like the country it's from, the organization behind it, its ASN, and even if it belongs to VPN or hosting provider. Basically, IPinfo turns a boring IP address into rich and usable text. Now, here's the best part. They recently launched a free tier that gives you unlimited queries for country level geolocation and ASN data. That's huge. You can enrich your log data, power threat intel, and even make automated decisions based on IP metadata. Alright, let me show you how easy it is to get started. Step 1. Go to ipinfo.io and create a free account. You will get an API token. Step 2. Open a terminal and run this simple curl command. You'll get back JSON that looks like this. Boom! In seconds, you know where the IP is from and who owns it. That's not all. IPinfo also offer a few awesome tools. CLI tools, browser extension, bulk lookup, and Python SDK. Here's a quick Python snippet. Okay, so how does this actually help in cybersecurity? Let's break down 5 killer use cases. First, log analysis. Enrich your access log with geolocation. If your app suddenly gets login attempts from Russia or China, your users are in India, that's a red flag. Second, threat hunting. You find a suspicious IP. Use IPinfo to learn if it belongs to cloud or a known bad actor. Number 3, incident response. During trials, you can use IPinfo to instantly understand an attacker's location and ISP. Number 4, red team recon. Simulate an attack from another country or avoid detection. Use ASN info to spoof legitimate sources. And finally, geo-based blocking. Block or flag traffic from specific countries for security reasons. All of this becomes possible just by knowing more about IPs. You can even integrate this with your existing tool. Let's say you are using Grafana, ELStack, or Wazoo. You can write a script or plugin that takes incoming info and enriches them with IPinfo data in real time. So now your dashboard doesn't show IPs. They show countries, ISPs, and threat levels. Quick note, the free tier gives you country level data and ASN info. If you need more detailed stuff like city, region, or host type, there's a paid plan for that. But honestly, for 90% of the use cases, the free tier rocks. Alright, let's wrap it up. IPinfo is one of those tools that should be in every cybersecurity professional toolbox. It's simple, powerful, and with a free plan accessible to everyone. If you are not already using it, start today. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more cybersecurity breakdowns, and leave a comment below. What tools do you use for IP lookups? If you want the full written blog version of this video, check out openexploit.in.